Hey everyone, welcome to Data Future. Myself Sharan, I have total 7 plus years of experience in data engineering and big data tech stack. This is a part of our SQL interview series where we tackle the most frequent asked SQL question with hands-on demos. Let's see our today's question. How to find duplicate records in the table? This is one of the most frequently asked questions for freshers and professionals with up to 4 years of experience people. Imagine you have a list of employees in a company and some of them are appearing more than once with the same details. How can we find those duplicate records? That's exactly what this SQL query helps us to do. Here I have considered employee as a table and it contains employee ID, employee name, department and salary as a column. And it has total 7 records in this table. Here we are choosing 3 columns, employee name, department and salary to check for duplicate records. Here the table is very small and it contains only 7 records, so it is very easy to identify the duplicate records. But in case if you have millions of records, how can we identify the duplicate records? With a simple query, we can identify the duplicate records. In this table, we can see this John. He has appeared 2 times in the table and Bob has also appeared 2 times in the table with the same information. So let's see how can we find the duplicate records with the help of SQL query. So I'm using MySQL Workbench. Here I have already created employees table. If I run this query, we will get the employees information. So now I need to identify the duplicate records. Here we can see, as I mentioned, based on the employee name, department and salary, I'm identifying the duplicate records. Here John and Bob is appearing 2 times with the same data. So we have to consider these 2 records as a duplicate records. Let's write a SQL query for this. So based on employee name, department and salary, we are finding the duplicate records. And here I'm using a aggregate function count. I'm giving an alias as duplicate records from employees table. And I'm grouping by with these 3 columns. Okay, first I will explain this. Here we are choose 3 columns, employee name, department and salary to check for duplicate records. And count star function count how many times each employee appears in the table. Okay, so this group by based on the name, department and salary. If 2 or more employees have same name, department and the salary, they will be grouped together. Okay, let's run this query. So it gives the information about the employee table and it has also mentioned how many times each record has appeared. Each rows has appeared. Okay, so now we are mainly interested for the duplicate records. Wherever we are having a count more than 1, so we will consider those records are duplicate records. Okay, so let's use having count star greater than 1. If I execute this query, so I will get only the duplicate records. Okay, having is used to filtered, aggregated and grouped data after group by. Okay, that's all from my side. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to Data Future YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.